LCD adjustment is a feature of QE for display. You can adjust LCD settings while displaying an image using the dedicated adjustment program. This tutorial guides you through the graphic layer setting and image quality adjustment. In QE for display, select the project whose target board is RX65 and Envision Kit. Next, open the Smart Configurator, install the LCD controller, and check the pin settings. Generate the code, and the LCD controller is now installed. Build the project. Open the Debugger tab in Debug Configurations and set the debug configuration. Next, start the LCD adjustment. Adjust the graphic setting in the Graphic Layer Setting tab. Use the dedicated adjustment program and start the graphic adjustment. Adjust the image size and positions displayed in LCD. You can configure image quality in the Image Quality Adjustment tab. Go to the Brightness menu and adjust the image brightness. Go to the Contrast menu and adjust the image contrast. Go to the Gamma Correction menu and apply Gamma Correction to the image. Click the Finish Display Adjustment button and finish the adjustment. At the end, output the parameter files from the adjustment result. The LCD adjustment is now complete.